I bet you've been saying these brand names wrong your entire life. Let's set the record straight. First up, Nike. It's N-Y-Key, not Nike like bike. Just do it correctly. Then we have Adidas. It's Adidas, not Adidas. Trust the Germans on this one. How about Levi's? It's Levi's, not Levi's. No denim debates here. And Amazon? It's Amazon, not Amazon. You're welcome, online shopping warriors. Coca-Cola. It's K-O-H-Q-Co-Lu. Equal stress on both, like a bubbly balance. McDonald's is McDonald's, not McDonald's. Sorry, Big Mac fans, Starbucks, not Starbucks. It's Starbooks, emphasis on the star. Pepsi is Pepsi, not Pepsi. Simple and refreshing. Google. It's Google with a hard G. No giggles, it's Google. Lastly, Disney. It's Disney, like the happiest place on earth. There you have it, brand enthusiasts. Now go forth and pronounce like a pro.